Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok not working issue. So first, you just need to open your phone settings, and then here you just need to scroll down and find the apps option. So just tap on this apps, and here just tap on apps management or manage apps. And then here you just have to wait for a few seconds until all the tabs appeared on your screen. Then tap on the search box and type right here TikTok. So tap on this application. And from here, as you can see, just need to tap on the storage at the top. And right from there, you'll find an option at the bottom saying clear data. So you just have to tap on that and you should tap on clear cache and then clear all data. Once you've done, you can now go back to your TikTok app and try if it's working. But if the problem persists, you can try to check your internet connection because sometimes that's the reason why your TikTok is not working well. So here you just need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So you can check your Wi-Fi first, and basically you just have to turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. Same on your cellular data. You can enable and disable your cellular data connection. And you can also go here on connection and sharing, go to this reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and tap on that reset settings. So once you've done, it should be fixed TikTok not working issue. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.